Good click, man. Good click. Hey! Wow, baby! Ooh, you look good, baby, man. You look very good. You have the boyfriend, main friend, any friend?
No.
You sexy chocolate peanut butter skin having you girl. Wow, you sweet chocolate caramel, you baby. What's your name? What's your name, baby? What's your name, baby? Well, speak for me, baby. Vale, what's your problem? What happened you? Oh, you have the money. Oh. What? What?
What's your gears, man? You know, get some new shoes or something. Yeah. Fix that.
You light skin fuck, fix what? You fix your hair. You have a hairbrush for the makeup on your bullshit. You fucking Drake, Trey Songz, yeah. You don't have these shoes. This is not Jordan. This is the Jean-Pierre. Not even Le Bourget got this. Not even Dwayne Wade. Same to let's go. Light skin fuck, thank you. Shit, you lock my day up on me. Bag it, claiming. They lock me the door. Hey, Sully, baby. Baby, hey, Sully. You sweet chocolate, Sully, baby. You, hey.